Hello. I would like to change the plugin for the XML. So when you finish to build the website, I want you to change the plugin. So let me just go to one of the website you did yesterday or before, I don't know. So I don't know, I found that this XML, the old XML plugin just doesn't work. Google does not index the posts. So let me log into this. Okay, so you have this BWP sitemaps. I don't want it. So first of all, you need to go to plugins, install plugins, better WordPress Google sitemap, deactivate, and delete it. Worthless, not working. Yes, delete this file, please. Okay, now we need to install Yoast SEO. It's a different plugin, so you click add new, you search Yoast, no, you search Yoast SEO. Yes, you see this one with 1 million active installs, Yoast SEO, install now. And you click active plugin. Close. You make sure that it's active here, and you should see it in the menu. So now we go to Yoast, to XML sitemaps. XML sitemap functionality enable. Max entries per sitemap, you keep it 1000, is fine. And you click save changes. You click XML sitemaps. And let's wait a little bit. Okay, now it's working. It takes like 10 to 15 minutes until you can access this sitemap file. Now, remember before you needed to submit those to the webmaster tool, so don't do it anymore. I don't want you to do it because I have now a software that does it for me here. It's working automatically. You see, it's not me, it's software that it just submit URLs to the, you see it's done automatically. So I just need you to send me an email with the sitemaps for each new website you are building. So just copy paste it here, remove those, so I will remove it. Make clean, and you email me this. You go to email, you send me an email like this, website ready, with the domain name, and that's it, and you send it to me. Like we have like 93 XML files, so usually it will be something similar. So again, don't do the webmaster tool submission anymore. Don't do it. The only thing you need to do is install this new XML plugin, prepare a list in a text file of the XML URLs, and email it to me with the domain name. I will take care of the indexing. That's it. Thank you.